In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a watermark in Canva. Launch your Canva app or log into your Canva account if you are using it in a browser. From the left side menu, click on Create a Design. Click on Upload. Click on Upload Files and select your preferred image. Click on Open. After completing the uploading process, click on Text in the left side menu. Click on Add a Heading. Type the text that you want as your watermark. Place and resize the text however you want. Click on the transparency option that appears at the top of the screen. Reduce the transparency according to your liking. Here you can see that a watermark has been added to the image. It's faint, but it's there. So in the future, if somebody uses your image for their own purpose, your watermark will still be there.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.